The purpose of this video is to show you how you can stop a discrete run simulation prematurely in ExtendSim. So of course, the simulation will stop by itself, either if you run out of time or as specified in simulation setup, or if you exhaust all the blocks that you've created, so there's nothing more circulating in the model. But if you have some other stopping condition that you want, so in this model, we're going to just say, well, once we've made 500 widgets, we want to stop this run regardless of how much time has actually elapsed. And so we want it to be strictly based on the number of widgets, or you can program in any other criteria you want. So there's two things that need to happen for this to work. We're going to stop the run by controlling the stopping time directly in the executive block. That's done by this stop this run, which is either true or false and is computed by the equation block. So if we open up this equation block, we can see that we have a connector coming in. So that helps us discern whether our criteria is being met. In this case, the connector coming in is the number of widgets. Our criteria is if we have more than 500, then stop this run is true. Otherwise, stop this run as being false. And we have stop this run listed in the table. And that's what causes that to be on that output connector. So stop this run then is hooked up into this count connector. And to get that to appear on the executive block, we're going to go to the executive block settings, the control menu, and then we're going to say stop simulation when, and then the default is at end time, but we're going to say when count connector value equals 1, and that will cause the simulation to stop at that time. So now let's try this out. And we'll notice that it stops when we get to a widget count of 501. That's what it was before. So which you just want to make sure it's working. We're now going to tell it to stop at 700 widgets. So now when I run, it now goes to 701. And this ends the tutorial on how to prematurely get a run to terminate.